Come here, ship grace. I can cut you in half. Yeah. We're out of soccer today. Maybe it's just a nice comfy pillow and sleep me off. Wait, what the fuck? What the hell? What the hell? Where are we? Why'd you wake us up? Oh. Greetings. Where are we? Yeah, what the fuck? Why are we, why is it, wait, why? What? Why are we on the ground? What the? Are we kidnapped? No, I think we're just taken somewhere. That is literal fucking kidnapping. Fucking kidnapping. No, he's actually kind of right. Because the host wouldn't do something like that. I don't think so. They showed up randomly out of nowhere, so. Where is? I'm scared. Everyone calm down. I did not kidnap you. I just took you in your sleep. Oh wait, it sounds the worst eye contacts. Anyway, today's challenge for a battle royale. This are in the morning? Oh wait, never mind. Alright, let's just get this over with. Yep. You'll be picking from one of these vehicles. Holy shit, is that a tank? Yep, you'll be picking and find out. The first thing is kill or knock off their vehicle is up for elimination. So, ooh, that van looks cool. What's in the van? Why? One, it's very durable. And two, can we hire your vehicle? Yes, you can. They can finally open it, I allow it. Yes. Alright then, we'll pick the van. Alright. What the? Yeah, ignore them. They're just background now. Ooh, I always wanted a van. Wait, why? So I can sell slushies? This will do if I do win. I win. Oh, look! I can drive. Wait, you have can? Don't question it. Alright then. Ew, why is there a toilet in here? Ooh, alright. Who's next? Wing car! No, we want. One car is. You're fucking kidding me. I love cars! We're gonna lose. Give him a chance, flatbed. Let me change. Alright, well. Maybe. Hey, know what would be better? What? That dragon car. They're my dragon car. Alright, the dragon car is. Yay. Or you could just. Ah! Yay. Alright, I'll drive as this bastard. Whoa. Alright. Oh, this thing has a launching feature? Cool. We're taking the sweeper. Wow, so you can destroy our victims and crush. Besides, it's pretty big and it won't be hard to knock us down. Alright, cool. Who's gonna drive? I will drive this. Alright, tablet. Ow. Woohoo! What do these bumpers do? Don't worry. Shark car! This thing can eat things. Ooh, I love sharks. Why did no one pick me? Ugh. Yeah. Just whatever. Hey, look at this bastard. Yeah. Are you serious? I'm only limbs on this. Yeah, and plus I'll explode if we kill him. No, don't care. Just shoving back. I'll do dry since I don't know how to just try. Fine. Okay. Whoa, it's 616. Ah, my leg. I'll reach that stuff for you. Is killed or knocked out, their vehicle is out. And you're out. Wait, do I have to be... Relax, these cars can't explode. Roll for 1. 2. 2, yeah, 2. I'm not gonna choose what it is. Alright. Also, you lose, so... Or, attention. Get this fucking demolition derby started. Yeah. What? Ah! I'm sorry, I'm not used to driving something. You haven't lost a single way out. Whoa. Wait. Look. And robot tree is out. There we go. We'll revive him later. Anyway. Woo! What? We just lost a member. Wait, Wait, whoa, what the Dragon reads! Oh, yeah. Look out. Huh? Yummy. Huh? Damn it, she's... No, I'm fine. He's out, same for flatbed. Oh, okay. No. Oh, no. Here you go. All right. Woohoo! What's up? What is... Wait, this thing can launch things, right? Just strike for one of those cars. Wait. Whee! Oh man. Yeah. Well, he's out. Yeah. Who did I just run over? Wait, no. Oh, dang it. Our front wing was chapped. Hey, I fixed it. And I thought it's like really beyond repair. Whatever, just... Hey, we're not doing it. Ah! Whoa. Ah! Oh my gosh! Sir? Oh no, I'm out. Yikes! Run over. He is dead. Dead? Yeah, they're dead, whatever. Should figure out. No. Ow. We'll try you later. Yes, just keep driving. Is that a shoe? Yeah. No, I can't live with my tank. What the? After him. I will run. I'm already out. Can't you? Yes. Gee, my leg. My leg. Okay. Ow, my foot. I got my token. My token. You stand back here. And well, it's just a kind of fun. My leg. I can't stop. Shark. Ooh, I think I'll pile up. This thing is stuck. Damn, I hate him great. You asked me to. Whatever, just. He's still alive. I'm still alive. Just die already. All right. Oh my god. Oh yeah, she's out. Yeah, we'll just I may not have limbs, but I know how to drive. Really? How can you? Oh my. Wait, no. Yes. Oh no. Oh, my leg. Wait a minute. Wait, what's that? Well, a car. Yeah. Yay. No. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh. Yeah. All right. Looks like they lose again. So it's right on and get the elimination started. Well, that was a fun challenge, right? We lost again. Yeah. Reese is placing 16th today. I think. Oh, look. Anyway. So, before. Honestly, I'm gonna vote. Honestly, I'm gonna vote for Tile. Well, hey, you didn't speak for us for years, so honestly, I know what you do. I'm voting for Plank. Hey, I won't vote either. My calculations say that Tile deserves to stay, so I'm voting for Plank. Yeah, Plank. Not to be a, but you're kind of easy to kill. So I think it's. What do you mean? Okay, sure. Well, Tylus is more stronger. Oh. Ow! Yeah. So it's 1 vote Tile and 3 votes to Plank. Plank, you're out in 16th place. Oh man, why do you want to make it far in the game? What can you do? Can you learn for BS reasons? Oh yeah. Alright. You guys stay here for next episode. Alright. You guys can chill or whatever. How you feel, Blank? So much pain, but I think we'll be okay next episode. Sweet. Wow, Chris. You're only covering a few scratches. How's just vibe in there? It just scratched on my face, but that's shit. He crushed me with a shark car. Like the heart in my body. But I feel you pretty quickly, so I'll be okay. Should we nerf me for Chainsaw? He's showing really aggressive in this episode. Yeah. He wanted to basically kill all of us, I think. I'm literally nervous he wins the show. He literally... I just hope if he does make it to murder, we have a chance to eliminate him. Same here. Yeah, we can all admit Chainsaw's pretty violent. But let's just hope he makes it to merge, and then as soon as we can eliminate him. Thanks, Flopbit. Honestly, we were supposed to lose today, but nope. Actually, he just fell into machine early on. He didn't even get knocked out once. Okay. Good job, dude. Thanks. Yeah. Besides, we have to lose a single challenge. Don't jinx it. We still have a chance of losing, regardless, Burning Wall. Or sorry, Burn Wall. Yeah. Yeah. But still. Yeah. So, what now? Oh, I guess we're going for next episode then.